Check this out. Every time I add the water, it grows. Hi, I'm Jackie Vine, and I'm in the 4th grade, and this is my math science project. Hello, Jackie Scientist back over here, and today we're making snow. But first, like every time, we need to put on our lab coat. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It still surprises me when we do that. So, like I said, today we're making snow. Join me in the process. To make snow without ice, you need a 2-ounce cup, a mixing cup, a large tube, a small measuring scoop, a pipette, a petri dish, and sodium polyacrylate. So what is sodium polyacrylate, you ask? Well, sodium polyacrylate, also known as waterlock, is a sodium salt of polyacrylic acid. It has a chemical formula, which is CH2CHN. Has a broad application in consumer products as baby diapers and vomit-absorbing dust. Yuck! It has the ability to absorb 100 times or even 1,000 times its mass in water. How cool is that? What can we do with sodium polyacrylate, you ask? Well, make snow without ice. Step 1. Put 1/4 of an ounce of sodium polyacrylate into your test tube. Add 2 ounces of warm water into the test tube and let's see what happens. Whoa, that's sweet! As you can see, that 1/2 ounce has grown over to 100 times its size. Snow without ice! That was so cool, but let's see what happens if we do it in reverse. Let's take some warm water using our pipette and put it in our petri dish. Now, let's add another 1/4 ounce of sodium polyacrylate to the warm water. It's so cool. Wait, let's spread it. I'm gonna add a little bit more water since it's dry at the top. It's rising and it looks so cool. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is very cool. Check this out. Every time I add the water, it grows. Let's see which one can turn into a snowball. Our first one, that we added water into the sodium polyacrylate, or the second one, that we added sodium polyacrylate to the water. Let's check it out. This one is a good consistency and it's very, very soft. I don't know if it'll be able to squeeze into an actual snowball. Nope, see, it just crumbles right out. But let's look at this one. So this is the one that we added sodium polyacrylate to the water. It's a little watery. This one holds it better, but neither of them can really make a snowball. Let's see what happens if we add more water, if it will be a better consistency to make into a snowball. Just a little bit in each one. Let's mix it in with our hands. We added another 2 ounces of water, and as you can see, it starts to turn clear and jelly-like. But, to the answer, it can turn into a snowball! Thank you for watching another edition of Jackie the Scientist. And remember, stay curious and subscribe.